Hello guys, today I'm going to the moon up there in Monkey Do. Pretty fun game. Ooh, that's close. So first we gotta locate the rocket ship. It can go like anywhere almost. Uh, let's see. By the way, if you want this, uh, oh yeah, I forgot I left the review. Okay, you can't throw doo doo at me. I have it off. Okay, so guys, to get the secret cosmetic only YouTubers know, I got this one from Leo. Okay, so we have to go to the tooting range. You have the code. I go in here and cheat. Please, are you okay? Okay, I have to have a loud dude. Please, I'm recording a video. Okay, the code is banana Congo gem, and then I'm pretty sure who I might be wrong. Blame me if I am. Who? And then then this, and then the W. Yeah, you should hear that noise. Then we jump back. It should be this. If I'm not, then it should just be in order like this. Hold on, let me check. Okay, then it should be. Then it should be. It should be like this. If that doesn't work, try this. If it says roughly granted you have the YouTuber sunglasses that only the YouTubers know the codes for, you can watch other YouTubers like Leo, Snail. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it should say that, but I already have the cosmetic. So yeah, let's go hunt for the rocket ship. Okay. We're gonna go to the moon. On top of the moon. Oh shoot. It's lag. Game. Might be lag. Okay. Yeah, I really hope Monkey Do adds me to their YouTube their YouTube thing. Let me go back to the 2-day range. Okay. Okay. Oh, turn off doo-doo. Yeah, if you go here, Welcome to the shooting range. This is a place for you to practice your aim, hit all the targets, and record your best time. Also, I hear if you follow popular content creators, you can find secret codes. Yeah, I hope they add me to that. Enter a secret code and get the influencer special cosmetic. This is a list of content creators with cosmetics. Awaken Toast. Yeah, I really hope they add me. So Monkey do. Oh, I never knew they added Yum Yum. Okay, yeah, you can watch their videos. It should be there. Is the rocket ship ready? Where's the rocket ship? Is it here? You can't throw poop at me, little bro. You wanna know? If you hear someone with like a goofy voice, that means they're a Steam player and they throw poop. They're like addicted to doo doo. They literally have it for breakfast. Bro. Yeah, the tutorial's pretty easy. Hello. Or do you know where the rocket ship is? I've been looking for it. I'm looking for it for a YouTube channel. Where is it? Oh, come on! Someone used their hand jetpacks and hit the launch button on the moon. I really need it for a YouTube video. I made it. Yeah, right now this is like the most loved cosmetic VR headset in the shop. It's gonna reset. Oh, we just got a new cosmetic. Okay. Wait, bro, I need 200 more to get the brick. Yeah, you can get this now. I'm kind of sad they removed the headset. I was gonna save up for it. Level 10. Come on, level 3. But I'm like the least content creator. Yeah, I couldn't find the rocket ship today, so I'm going. Yeah, it's really cool on the moon. It's really fun. You just have to do your double jump to get it. That was the secret code. Bye, guys.